This chart represents the SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, also known as SPY, which tracks the performance of the S&P 500 index. The chart is in a weekly time frame and provides a detailed view of technical indicators, price action, and trends. Let's break down the analysis. S&P 500. 1. Price action. The current price of SPY is $583.71, with a weekly gain of $4.13, which is a 0.71% increase. 2 important moving averages to note. The 50-period EMA, or exponential moving average, is at $522.09. The price is well above this moving average, indicating a strong upward trend in the market. The 100-period EMA is at $486.54. This longer-term moving average serves as a lower support level. The price being above both moving averages confirms that SPY is in a bullish phase. 2. MACD, which stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. The MACD line, which is blue, is at 32.33, and the signal line, which is orange, is at 31.20, showing a bullish crossover. This means that the MACD is above the signal line, indicating increasing bullish momentum. The histogram is slightly positive at 1.12, suggesting that the upward momentum is continuing, and there's no immediate sign of weakening. The RSI is currently at 69.12, which is very close to the overbought zone, above 70. This indicates that the ETF is nearing overbought conditions, suggesting that there could be a potential slowdown or pullback in the near term. The Williams %R is at negative 3.18, which is well within the overbought territory, above negative 20. This indicator suggests that SPY may be due for a short-term correction or consolidation as it is reaching overbought levels. General trend SPY is in a strong bullish trend, as the price is well above both the 50-period and 100-period EMAs. The price has been rising steadily, with no major breakdowns in support levels, indicating that the long-term uptrend remains intact. The MACD line above the signal line, along with a positive histogram, confirms the strong upward momentum. There are no signs of bearish divergence, suggesting that the bullish trend may continue in the short term. The RSI at 69 indicates that SPY is approaching the overbought zone, which could lead to slower upward movement or a potential pullback. However, it hasn't reached extreme levels yet, leaving some room for further price appreciation. The Williams %R in the overbought zone confirms that the market could experience short-term overbought conditions, possibly leading to a pause in the rally or a small correction. A detailed analysis. In the short term, SPY is showing strong upward momentum, but technical indicators such as RSI and Williams %R suggest that the price is nearing overbought conditions. Investors should watch for signs of slowing momentum or consolidation, as the price may temporarily pause or pull back before continuing upward. The MACD remains bullish, and as long as the price holds above the 50-period EMA, the uptrend is likely to continue. If the price pulls back, the 50-period EMA at $522.09 would be a critical support level to watch. SPY's long-term uptrend remains intact, with no signs of major bearish signals. The price is comfortably above the 100-period EMA, indicating strong long-term bullish sentiment. The continuation of the bull run is supported by broader market trends and positive momentum. Conclusion: SPY is in a strong bullish trend, with prices significantly above key moving averages, supported by positive momentum in the MACD and a high RSI. While the Williams %R and RSI indicate that the ETF is approaching overbought territory, suggesting a potential short-term pullback or consolidation, the overall trend remains positive. Investors should watch for a break above or retracement from these levels, with the 50-period EMA at $522.09 serving as a crucial support level. If momentum continues, the ETF may see further gains, but caution is advised due to overbought conditions. Nasdaq 100. Alright, let's dive into the price action for QQQ. The current price of QQQ is $494.87, with a weekly gain of $1.51, which is about 0.31%. Now let's talk about two key moving averages. First, the 50-period EMA, or exponential moving average, is at $444.24. This moving average is acting as strong support. The price is well above this level, indicating a bullish trend. Next, we have the 100-period EMA at $407.41. This serves as a longer-term support level. The price being above both moving averages confirms that QQQ is in a long-term bullish phase. Moving on to the MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence. The MACD line, which is blue, is at 28.72, and the signal line, which is orange, is at 28.96. This shows a bearish crossover, suggesting that upward momentum may be slowing down, but the overall trend is still strong. The histogram is slightly negative at negative 0.2483, reflecting the recent reduction in buying momentum. However, the values are still close to the zero line, meaning the weakening momentum is minimal. Finally, let's talk about the RSI, or Relative Strength Index. The RSI is currently at 61.91, which is in bullish territory but not yet overbought, which would be above 70. This indicates moderate buying pressure, with room for further upward movement before the price reaches overbought conditions. The Williams percent R is at -7.92, suggesting that QQQ is in overbought territory. This indicator signals that a short-term pullback or consolidation could occur soon as buying pressure has been high. General trend QQQ is in a strong bullish trend, as the price remains well above both the 50-period and 100-period EMAs. The long-term trend is clearly upward, supported by both moving averages. MACD. The bearish crossover in the MACD suggests that the bullish momentum is slowing, but the trend is still positive overall. The slight negative histogram shows a mild decline in buying pressure, but not enough to signal a reversal. RSI. The RSI near 62 reflects moderate bullish momentum without being overbought, meaning that the price could still continue to rise without hitting resistance from overbought conditions. Williams percent R. The Williams percent R is in overbought territory, suggesting that short-term consolidation or a minor correction could occur before the uptrend continues. Detailed analysis, short-term QQQ is showing continued strength with slight gains, but the MACD and Williams percent R suggest that the upward momentum may be slowing. A short-term pullback or consolidation could happen before the price resumes its upward trajectory. Midterm. The 50-period EMA at $444.24 is a crucial support level, and as long as the price stays above it, the midterm uptrend should remain intact. Any pullbacks are likely to find support at this level. The long-term trend remains bullish, with the price well above the 100-period EMA at $407.41. This indicates that the overall market sentiment is positive, and the uptrend is likely to continue as long as the broader market remains strong. The Invesco QQQ Trust, or QQQ, is in a strong bullish trend, with prices well above key moving averages. While the MACD shows a slight decline in momentum, the overall trend remains positive, supported by a moderate RSI near 62. The Williams percent R, however, suggests that QQQ may be overbought, indicating the potential for a short-term pullback or consolidation. Despite this, the long-term outlook remains bullish as long as the price holds above key support levels, particularly the 50-period EMA at $444.24. Investors should watch for signs of consolidation, but can remain optimistic about the longer-term trend. Small Caps Russell 2000. Price action. The current price is $225.81 with a strong weekly gain of $4.55, or plus 2.06%. Two key moving averages. The 50-period EMA, or exponential moving average, at $205.35, acts as a support level. The price being well above this line reflects strong upward momentum. The 100-period EMA, at $198.43, serves as a longer-term support level. The price staying above this level confirms a bullish trend in the longer term. MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence. The MACD line, which is blue, is at 9.05, and the signal line, which is orange, is at 8.24, showing a bullish crossover. This indicates increasing upward momentum. The histogram is positive at 0.8109, reflecting strong buying momentum and confirming the bullish trend. RSI, or Relative Strength Index. The RSI is at 61.45, indicating that the ETF is in bullish territory, but not yet overbought. Overbought conditions typically occur above 70. This suggests moderate buying pressure with room for further gains. The Williams %R is at minus 8.83, indicating that the ETF is overbought. This signals that a potential short-term pullback or consolidation could occur due to high buying pressure. General trend: the iShares. Russell 2000 ETF, or IWM, is in a strong bullish trend. The price is well above both the 50-period and 100-period EMAs, signaling continued upward momentum. Small-cap stocks, represented by the Russell 2000, have shown strength recently, and this ETF reflects that. The MACD's bullish crossover indicates growing upward momentum, and the positive histogram supports continued buying pressure. The RSI at 61 suggests the ETF is in bullish territory, but not at extreme levels, meaning that the price could continue to rise without being overbought in the short term. The Williams %R being in the overbought zone suggests caution, as this could indicate a short-term pullback or consolidation before continuing the upward movement. Detailed analysis. Short term, the price has gained more than 2% this week, and the MACD shows continued strength. However, the Williams %R suggests that the ETF is overbought in the short term, and a pullback or consolidation may happen before further gains. Mid-term, the price remains well above the 50-period EMA at $205.35, which should act as a key support level if a pullback occurs. As long as the price stays above this level, the bullish trend is likely to continue. Long-term, the price is significantly above the 100-period EMA at $198.43, indicating that the long-term uptrend remains intact. The MACD's strong positive momentum supports this outlook. Conclusion: the iShares. Russell 2000 ETF, or IWM, is currently in a bullish trend, with strong upward price momentum confirmed by the MACD, RSI, and its position above key moving averages. While the Williams %R indicates the ETF is in an overbought state, suggesting a potential short-term pullback, the overall trend remains positive. Investors should watch for a minor correction or consolidation, but as long as the price holds above key support levels like the 50-period EMA at $205.35, the ETF is likely to continue its upward movement.